In this trick, your puppy will learn to put his front paws up on a box or piece of furniture or even your lap. This trick is also pretty easy to teach, and puppies seem to enjoy learning it. Now for this trick, it's real important that you start with a sturdy piece of furniture because you don't want it to topple over and have your dog fall off. We're again going to use a lure to teach our dog to put his paws up. Why don't you come off for a second? There you go. I'm going to hold, come off for a second. Hang on, wait. I'm going to use a food treat and kind of start at my puppy's nose, bring it up so that he has to get on top of the box to get the treat. Very good. Now I always give the puppy the treat while he's in the correct position. So while JD has both of her paws on the box, then she gets the treat. You don't want to give the treat after she's already taken her paws off the box because that would be rewarding her for the wrong thing. So one more time, use your food lure. JD, come off. Start at your puppy's nose, bring it up. Once they have both paws on the box, let them have the treat. Now there's a couple problems that you may encounter. One is a very overexuberant puppy that may jump over the box entirely. That sometimes happens if you move your treat too fast or if you bring it up too high. So you just want to make sure you guide his nose the whole way so he doesn't get out of control. The other problem you may encounter is a dog doing completely the opposite, which is that he's kind of reluctant to put his paws on the box at all. In that case, you have to kind of encourage him. Come on down here. And you have to go, come on, there you go, it's okay, very good, and sort of help him out with that. Okay, let's try that with some other puppies. Paws up. Paws up. Good, nice job, good. Come on, almost, paws up. Paws up, good. Good, okay. Paws up. Good. Good boy. Good, Cooper. Good job. Our puppies today are doing a great job with this trick. The luring method works well to get our puppy to put his paws on the box. But the next step is to start to fade the lure so that he does the trick with just our voice cue. So this time I'm going to have no treat in my hand, and I'm just going to try and get her attention by snapping. Very good. Once she has her paws up, then I reach in my treat bag and I give her a treat. Again, I always want to make sure that I give the treat while her paws are on the box, not after she's jumped down again. Okay, one more time. And JD, paws up. Good. You can also start to wait a little longer and a little longer before you give that treat, so they get real good at staying up there on the box. Very good. All right, let's recap that trick.